Hello, Professor Warsi here. In today's lesson, we will learn to pronounce American English vowels. There are 12 pure vowels and 3 diphthongs. So we will practice pronouncing these vowels in this lesson. So let's start. There are 12 pure vowels. They're also called monophthongs because there's only one sound that is produced. One is E as in beat. 2 is it as in bit. So notice the difference. Beat, bit. E, it. 3 is A, it's a long A as in bait. And 4 is a short vowel. E as in bet. Bait, bet. A, e. 5 is as in bat. Bat. 6 about. 7 as in cup. 8 boot. 9 book. So notice the difference between these two vowels. Boot, book. Number 10. Boat. 11. Law. 12. Father. So we will pronounce each one of them individually. I will pronounce the sound, then I'll also pronounce a word beginning with the sound. Okay? So let's start. I need you to pay attention to how I pronounce these sounds. Listen to me carefully and then repeat after me. 1. E, beat. How do you pronounce this sound? Your lips are spread. E, and your tongue is in the high front. Hold the E. Practice, okay? And I know it's repetitive. Practice saying the vowel over and over and over again so that you master it. Number 2 is the short version of the same vowel. This one is it. So we just pronounce E, and now it's it. Bit. How to pronounce it? Your lips are a little bit relaxed. Okay, earlier in the longer vowel, E, they were spread. This time they're relaxed. And the tongue is slightly raised. In the previous one, it was in the high front. Now it's in mid-high front, so it goes down. And it's a short and quick it. Compare the two. E, it. Okay? 3 and 4. These are pairs. So A, as in bait. Your tongue is in mid-front, and lips are slightly spread. Okay? So it's a smooth A, as in bait. And number 4 is the short. So the mouth is slightly open, and your mid-tongue is involved. Bet. Compare the two. A, bait, bet. Number 5 is as in bat. Bat. Your mouth, if you notice, if you pay attention to my face, my mouth is wide open when I say this. And your tongue is low front. So, bat. Okay? 6 is about. Your tongue is relaxed and it's in the mid-central position. So it's a very soft about. It's not very distinct. Okay, about. And number 7 is it's in the central tongue and it's much stronger than the remember is very soft, but this one is strong. It's as in cup, cup. Okay, 8 and 9. These two vowels are also a pair. One is long, the other one is short, so it's a minimal pair. Ooh, 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 as in boot, boot. Notice how my lips are rounded and tongue is in the high back. So maybe just hold and say ooh, boot. Number 9 is so this is stronger. It's a short but your lips are still round. Okay, but they're loose. So as in book. Ooh, boot. 9. Book. Number 10 is oh. An example is boat, boat. How do we pronounce this sound? The lips are rounded and your tongue is in the mid back. So it says smooth oh, boat. We took a boat. 11. Your lips are rounded. Your mouth is open mid-low. It is like saying You know how people say, and then I was sick. Law, law. Number 12 is father. Now this time notice your mouth is fully open and tongue is in low back. It's a deep father. Okay, so we've done 12, right? 12 pure vowels. We just finished pronouncing each one of them and pronouncing some example words also. As I said before, if you remember at the beginning of the lesson, I said there are 15 vowels. 12 of them are pure, and there are 3 diphthongs. So why are they called diphthongs? They're called diphthongs because they're 2 sounds in one. So they're kind of 2 vowels, but they're really just 1 vowel. If you look at the phonetic transcript, there are 3 diphthongs. We will pronounce them one by one together. 13 is I. Do you hear two sounds there, 2 vowels? And E. E. I. My. So start with an open and glide to E. So my. 14 is ooh, like ow. So start with and glide to round ooh. Ow, now, ow. 15 is oi, oi, boy, like boy. So 12 pure vowels and 3 diphthongs. So we have come to the end of the lesson. We just finished pronouncing all 15 vowels. Let me give you some tips before I leave you. As with the consonant lessons that I had uploaded a little while ago, and I hope that you took the consonant lessons. If you haven't, please go back and complete the consonant lesson. Minimal pairs are 2 words that are spelled almost identically the same, except one sound is different. Okay? But in these examples, you can see that one has a short vowel and the other one is a long vowel. So bit, beat, fan, van, sip, zip, sip, zip. So I recommend pronouncing words in minimal pairs so that you will learn these contrasts. You can do the mirror practice, which I strongly recommend for consonant sounds as well. So you can look in the mirror, stand in front of a mirror, look in the mirror, and then watch your mouth movement for accuracy. Audio shadowing. So we just practiced it. I was pronouncing the vowels one by one, and you were repeating after me. Play native English speakers recordings and repeat immediately after. It could be, somebody on the radio, or a YouTube clip that you're watching, or an American English movie. Just listen to the actors very carefully, pay attention to their pronunciation, and repeat after them. That's called audio shadowing. Okay? Feel the throat. Remember, all vowels are voiced. Unlike consonants, right? There's some consonants are voiced, others are unvoiced or voiceless. All vowels, all 15 of them, are voiced. How do we know? You just put your index on your vocal cords and say e, oo, a, e. So if you place your hand on your throat, you can feel every time you pronounce the vowels that your vocal cords vibrate. Okay? Also record your pronunciation of American English vowels, listen to your own pronunciation, and then self-correct from there. All right? So this was a very comprehensive lesson on American English vowel sounds, and I hope that you enjoyed it. I strongly recommend that you go back all the way to the beginning of the lesson and retake it, and keep practicing until you get all of the vowels correct. All right? So take care. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.